Here's some Factory Acts trivia. Subscribe. What was a significant outcome of the 1901 Act? Is it A, creation of pensions, B, increase in wages, C, improve safety standards, or D, limit on working hours? The correct answer is D, limit on working hours. What age limit for children was established in 1933? Is it A, 13 years, B, 12 years, C, 15 years, or D, 14 years? The correct answer is D, 14 years. Which organization oversees factory inspections? Is it A, Industrial Safety Council, B, Health and Safety Executive, C, Environmental Protection Bureau, or D, Occupational Safety Agency? The correct answer is B, Health and Safety Executive. What was one effect of the 1959 Act? Is it A, increased tariffs, B, welfare standards raised, C, funding cuts, or D, reduced benefits? The correct answer is B, welfare standards raised. What did the 1847 Factory Act establish? Is it A, 10-hour workday, B, minimum wage law, C, 8-hour workday, or D, 6-day work week? The correct answer is A, 10-hour workday. Who did the 1888 Factory Act mainly affect? Is it A, children, B, and C, factory managers, or D, women? The correct answer is D, women. What was one restriction imposed by the 1911 Act? Is it A, job training, B, age of workers, C, safety equipment, or D, minimum wage? The correct answer is B, age of workers. What enforcement body was created by the 1833 Act? Is it A, Child Welfare Agency, B, factory inspectors, C, health officers, or D, labor union? The correct answer is B, factory inspectors. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.